Good Friday. You know I get obsessed. I'm still a little obsessed with Korean street food. There are two sandwiches. One, I think they call it grandma toast, where they have egg and cabbage, topped with a mound of cabbage. Sometimes they put ham and cheese. I call that deluxe. That's what we're doing today. Grandma's Toast Deluxe. They cook egg and cabbage, top it with a mound of cabbage, flip it over, nice toasty brown. Spread a giant tablespoon of sugar on there, ketchup, then we're going to put some ham, then we're going to put some honey mustard, and then we're going to put a slice of cheese. And they like to use the cheese that are in little wrappers. I want to know what it tastes like. And then there's one, they just call it like ham and cheese toast. But again, you've got egg with a little cabbage, a mound of sliced ham, a bunch of cheese. I think it looks like mozzarella or white cheddar, I'm not sure. I bought Munster. But I don't want to do the egg and cabbage again. I just want to do a Korean street food inspired ham and cheese. We're going to put bacon. So it's going to be bacon, ham, and cheese. And and in their ham and cheese video, it looks like they spread on some spiced honey. Now, I'm not a big fan of honey, but I ordered some Mike's honey. Toast, spicy honey, tomato, bacon, cheese, ham, mound of lettuce, ketchup, honey mustard. So I've got 2 more sandwiches in me, and I think we're done with the Korean street food for a while. And we get to use our Chef Way griddle. It has to be done. I've got to get rid of this obsession. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. This is where I would wrap it in aluminum foil because we're taking out. But we're not taking out. In one of the videos, they were eating in and she cuts it in quarters, and that's what we're gonna do, if we can. Oh. Let's see if we can put it on a plate. Oh, holy moly! Grandma's toast! Why am I always yelling? Grandma's toast! You ready? Sugar and ketchup, ham and cheese. Let's pick up a piece. See if we can pick up a piece. Let's take a bite. That's cabbage. Ooh. It's sweet. It's cabbage. It's a little salty from the cheese, I guess, and the ham. Take another bite. Grandma's toast. Buttery. Oh, that is good. That's different. That's different. This is why I wanted to try it. It tastes like nothing I've ever had. Mmm. 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 I really like this. I really like this. Mmm. I'm not sure if they use mustard or honey mustard. The color of their mustard looks like it might be honey mustard. I guessed at that. Mmm. Wow. We got our ham and our cheese and our cabbage and our egg. Oh. I'm kind of speechless. It doesn't taste. I thought it was going to taste eggy, but it doesn't really taste eggy. This was fun. You see them putting the butter on the grill, moving the bread around. I can taste it. And you see them adding more and more butter with the eggs and the cabbage. I can taste it. I can taste the butter. All right. Here we go again. That was good. Very different. Thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.